Hey, what's up, y'all? This your man BG with Pallet Pros Academy. Just here real quick, another quick video, man, to just give you some tips on what to bring when you're out scouting, okay? So the first thing you got to understand is, perception is everything. So when you're out scouting and you have some clients that you want to talk to and some clients that you feel like would be a good fit for your business model, you want to make sure that you approach them in a clean manner, and that you're not gonna, scare somebody away or anything, because you got to understand you're coming on these folks' property, right? So if you don't look like you belong back there, then you're gonna get, just from the jump, you're gonna get a negative reaction that you don't want. So the first thing I would say is, when you go to these locations, make sure you look presentable, okay? You want to have on a shirt. If you don't have preferably a shirt with your business name on it. As you can see, I got Pallet Pros here, and I also have the hat that says Pallet Pros across the front. So when I go to the businesses, they already know who I am when I approach them. If you don't have the hat and the shirt right now, then that's fine. Just put on a nice clean shirt, t-shirt or collared shirt. You know what I'm saying? You want to make sure you got on, some good work boots and whatnot, right? Some good pants. Y'all see it all. I'm just doing it real quick. All right, when you go up. So that's number one. The first thing is make sure you're presentable, okay? All right, number two, when you go on these sites, you want to make sure that you have a reflector vest. All right, you can see I have this reflective vest. I got it from Walmart. Cost me $10 or something like that. I don't know. The reason being is, when you go around through the back, you're gonna actually be back there in the shipping and receiving area. And if you have on a reflective vest, it actually makes you look more official. Okay, so if you got on your shirt with your business name on it, your hat with your business name, a reflective vest, or a good collared shirt, or a good clean t-shirt, you're gonna look presentable. You're not gonna look out of place when you're on site, right? Number three, you want to make sure that you have a business card, okay? You want to make sure that when you're done speaking with whoever you're speaking to, you can present them with some information that, if they want to utilize your services, that they can get back to you with, right? So on this particular one, I have my name, my telephone number, and then my email, and then it just has I serve surrounding areas, and then this is some of the services that I offer. And then I have the same thing again on the back side of the card. So it's a double-sided card with the same information, right? We just keep it simple. And you want to have on the card multiple ways that people can contact you. So they can contact me through my phone number, they can contact me through the email address, and they can also contact me through Facebook if they need to, okay? So you want to make sure that you have a business card. All right, and then finally, you want to make sure that you have a pen and a pad. All right, so preferably the pad that you're gonna have, in which we actually provide this within the course. We'll provide a template for you that you can easily put the information down for the businesses that you go talk to. But the pen and the pad makes you look even more official. You're going to the site, you have your logo on your hat and your shirt, you got your reflector vest, you got your business card. Think about how wild the people are gonna be when you walk up and say, hey, my name is such and such with XYZ pallet company. Can you explain to me your pallet situation? And as they're explaining the situation, you're actually taking notes and writing down. This thing is filled up with stuff, right? Just leads and all kind of stuff, right? So just imagine you're asking questions, and as they're giving you the answers, you're writing this stuff down. The vast majority of the guys that do this business ain't gonna have that. They're not gonna do that. So you already, just from that off the top, already just gonna be beating out the rest of the competition. So I'll recap. Make sure you have on some nice clothes, good shirt, right? A cap, you look presentable, a reflective vest, right? A business card, right? And then a notepad, a pen and a pad that you can actually take notes down. And we provide this a template similar to this within the course. So yeah, this is it, man. Y'all some winners. Go out there and meet these clients, man, and make this money, right? It's plenty out there for everybody. Once again, this is your man BG, Pallet Pros Academy, checking out. I'll talk to y'all soon. Peace.
All right,